In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your fiscal year end date in your account settings. Before we begin, a quick note on what this means. Your fiscal year end date is the cutoff that your system uses to group transactions and generate tax and financial reports. Keeping it accurate ensures your statements line up with your accounting cycle and any regulatory requirements you follow. If your organization recently changed its fiscal year or you're aligning with a parent company, this quick update will help keep everything consistent. Start by opening your account dashboard and looking to the left side of the screen. In the sidebar, find Settings. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a gear icon or as the word Settings. Click it to open the settings area where your account level preferences and financial configurations live. Within Settings, locate the section called Tax and Financial Information. This is where all the financial profile details are managed, so go ahead and click Tax and Financial Information to open that page. You'll see items related to your organization's tax status and reporting setup. On this page, you'll find a field labeled Fiscal Year End Day. This indicates the current closing date for your fiscal year. It may show a specific month and day, or it could be a drop-down or editable field. Click on that field to make changes. Select or type the correct fiscal year end date that matches your accounting policies. If you're not sure which date to use, it's best to align with the date used by your accounting software or the one approved by your finance team or auditor. Keep in mind that some systems only allow certain formats or may restrict changes during active reporting periods. Once you've chosen the correct date, scroll if needed and click Save Changes. This is important. Your update won't be applied until you save. After saving, look for a confirmation message indicating the change was successful. From this point forward, your reports, forecast periods, and tax summaries should reflect the new fiscal year end date. Historical reports typically remain as they were, so you'll maintain a clear record of prior periods. If you don't see the option to edit the fields, you might be viewing with limited permissions. In that case, an account administrator can make the change for you. And if your organization operates across regions, confirm the date aligns with your primary reporting jurisdiction. That's it. You've updated the fiscal year end date by going to Settings on the left, opening Tax and Financial Information, clicking the fiscal year